In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads and just by using free traffic. Okay, I will share with you guys my method that made me $9,200 in just 15 days. Okay, I made this commission from the first day of April, as you can see over here, until the day 15 of April. Okay, I made this commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic, $9,200. Okay, and this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots. Okay, so anyway, so for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, first go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Super easy. So just come to this page, scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this page over here to this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission. Okay, so just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country. Then choose your language over here. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, it's super easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. And I will show you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Facebook, and I will show you how you can promote your affiliate links on Facebook using free traffic and how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link so you can earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, okay, and click on the search and search for YouTube promotion. Okay, search for YouTube promotion. Okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example good one like this one. This one is top rated seller. He has 5-star, a lot of reviews, and this service is just for $10. So a lot of people can buy this service. It's really good. So I will click on this seller service. Okay, and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, this seller has a lot of orders in queue. Okay, as you can see, people are buying this service, guys. Okay, a lot of reviews, people keep coming back, a lot of people are buying this service. Okay, what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, and you have Fiverr affiliate, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have report, payments, post back, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store. Okay, click on marketing tools and here you go. Click on default and dip links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on dip link. Okay, and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Super easy. Let's go to Facebook. You guys all have Facebook page. Okay, you all have a Facebook account. Okay, it's just any Facebook account, not a Facebook page. Just open your Facebook page or your home page like this. Click on the search for YouTube. Okay, search for YouTube subscribers, okay, or YouTube creator. Search for YouTube creators. You have here filters, okay. Scroll down, click on groups. We need Facebook groups, okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here that you need to join. Make sure to join all those groups, okay. Let's check, for example, this group over here, YouTube creator community, okay. Let's click on this group. Let's scroll down. Here you go. You should find a lot of people here who are sharing their YouTube videos links, okay, like this person. As you can see, this person put his video link here. So why those people are putting their YouTube videos links here and their YouTube channels links? Because those people, they want to grow their YouTube channels, okay. So that's why they are promoting their YouTube videos on Facebook. So those people will be interested to buy this service, to buy YouTube video promotion service, to grow their YouTube channels, to get more subscribers, more views, and grow their YouTube channels, okay. A lot of people will be interested, okay. Not all, but a lot of people will be interested. And as you can see, this person over here also put his YouTube video link. So what you will do, let's take this person, for example. I will click on his name and I will click on message, okay. I will send a professional and friendly message to this person, okay. How we can create a friendly and professional message, okay. You will go, let me show you. Go to ChatGPT. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address. This AI will help you to create a friendly and professional message that you can send to those people who are posting their YouTube videos links on this group to grow their YouTube channels. Okay, so that's what I did. I go to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to convince them to buy YouTube promotion service from my affiliate link. And here you go. Let me see. And here you go. ChatGPT created this this message and it's really good, okay. As you can see, hey there, content creator, are you looking to take your YouTube channel to the next level? Look no further. I have discovered an incredible YouTube promotion service on Fiverr that's been an absolute game changer for me. It's a really good message, professional message, okay. If you are serious about growing your YouTube presence, I highly recommend checking it out. Feel free to shoot me a message if you have any question or want more information, okay. Here is the link to get started and you will put your affiliate link here. So I will copy this one, okay. Copy this one. And what I will do, so just copy this message, go to this Facebook group, go to this person, and I will send this person this message, okay. And here you go. I will delete this part, okay. And let me see, okay. And I will delete this one, okay. And here you go. I will just keep this one. Are you looking to take your channel to the next level? This one is really good. I will scroll down and here your Fiverr affiliate link. Here put your Fiverr affiliate link. I will delete this part like this, okay. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you created new Fiverr affiliate account, you can see this Fiverr CPA old plan because I have old Fiverr affiliate account almost like 4 years, okay. So you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here, okay, like this. And as you can see guys, this link is too much long, so for me I always choose to make this link short. You can go to Google and you can search for this website. This website will make your affiliate link short. Okay, you can put your affiliate link here. You can click on shorten, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be short link like this. I will copy this affiliate link from here. I will go back to Facebook and I will put this affiliate link here. Paste, and here you go. Okay, like this, and they will click on send. Okay, and your affiliate link will be sent to this person. As you can see, it will be like this. As you can see, okay, this is your message, and if you scroll down, you have here your affiliate link. Okay, if this person is interested to grow his YouTube channel, he will check your message, he will click on your affiliate link, for example like this. So if he click on your affiliate link, he will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. He will see this seller is top rated seller, a lot of orders in queue, people keep coming back. He will click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission, and that's it. That's how we can promote your affiliate links on Facebook groups. That's how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link, and that's how we can use free traffic. And that's it, guys. If you can convince those people to buy those services from your affiliate link, you can make a lot of money. So the business model is very clear. Okay, you just need to learn how you can sell. You need to learn the skills of selling. Okay, you need to learn how you can sell, how you can talk to those people. Okay, those people putting their YouTube videos here, they want to grow their YouTube channels, they want to get more views, more subscribers. If you can talk, if you know how to do it, how you can talk with those people, you can make a lot of money. Okay, you can send this service to those people as an affiliate marketer, and you can make so much money. And that's it. This is the method that I'm using. You can find a lot of people here who have YouTube channels. Those people are your customers, so you just need to convince them to buy a service from your affiliate link, and that's it. This is the method that I'm using, guys, to earn a lot of commission every single month. Okay, promoting affiliate links using free traffic, not from Facebook, from Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, Quora, and so much more. Okay, I already shared all those methods in my YouTube channel. Feel free to check it out if you want, and if you are interested to make some good money with affiliate marketing. This is the business model, guys, and that's it. You guys just need to stay consistent.